Hello everyone, welcome back to the Malabari Lens. Today, I've got something really useful for photographers and content creators. We're going to unbox and take a closer look at the K&F Concept 5-liter Sling camera bag. If you're someone who loves traveling light but still wants to carry your essential camera gear safely, this might be exactly what you need. So, let's get started. Inside the bag, you get a removable padded divider. This is a great addition because it lets you customize the space based on your gear. You can separate your camera, lens, and accessories safely, or adjust it depending on your setup. The bag also features two small zippered pockets. These are really handy for organizing your smaller accessories like camera batteries, memory cards, or even lens filters. Moving to the exterior, the bag also offers some practical storage options. On both sides, you'll find two open pockets without zippers. And at the back, there's a larger zippered pocket. This one is quite spacious and can comfortably hold your cables, chargers, or other essential accessories. It's a thoughtful addition that helps keep your main compartment clutter-free while still carrying everything you need. Now, let's test the internal space of this bag with some actual gear. I'm starting with a Nikon Z52, paired with a 50 to 250mm zoom lens. And as you can see, it fits in quite comfortably inside the main compartment. Next, I'm adding two more lenses, along with a small camera handle. And for the smaller essentials like batteries, we can easily store them in the inner zippered pockets, keeping them safe and easy to access. Overall, for a compact 5-liter bag, the storage capacity is quite impressive. If you enjoyed this video, stay tuned to the Malabari Lens for more photography gear reviews and travel content. Thanks for watching.